Make sure your printer is turned. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi direct password displayed on the printer's control panel or in its documentation. On your computer, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Wi-Fi settings and turn on Wi-Fi. Wait for your PC to detect available Wi-Fi networks. Look for the network name starting with DirectX XHP. XX represents a unique combination of numbers and letters. Tap on the network name to connect to it. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi direct password displayed on the printers. Follow the on-screen instructions.